Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Many attorneys find that they receive a substantial amount of daily email. This chapter focuses on mail management techniques that help categorize, sort, and clear a cluttered mailbox. The first technique to discuss is using subfolders in an inbox. While some feel this is a deprecated technique that is not as efficient as using the newer search folders in Outlook, it is still worth knowing how to do. Many lawyers create subfolders for individual cases and then sort their incoming mail into the desired folder manually or by using folder rules. You can choose to create subfolders for clients, cases, projects, or whichever convention makes the most sense for your organization. However, before you use this feature, you must first learn how to create a subfolder in your inbox. One way to create an inbox subfolder in Outlook is to simply right-click the inbox folder in the folder pane. Then select the New Folder command from the pop-up menu that appears. A new folder is then added to the folder pane beneath the inbox. Type a name for the new folder and then press the Enter key on your keyboard to create the new subfolder of the inbox. Alternatively, if you right-click the inbox folder in the Favorites list instead, and then select the New Folder command from the pop-up menu, a Create New Folder dialog box opens. Here type the folder's name into the Name field, then choose the folder's content from the Folder Contains drop-down. Then click to select the parent folder within which to add the subfolder from the Select Where to Place the Folder list. Then click the OK button to create the new subfolder. To rename a subfolder, right-click the subfolder. Then select the Rename Folder command from the pop-up menu that appears. Then type the desired folder name and press the Enter key on your keyboard to set its name when finished. If you want to review creating folders in your Outlook account, please review Lesson 12.3, Creating Private Folders, in the earlier chapter of this tutorial. After creating subfolders, you can manually move any mail, appointments, tasks, or other Outlook items you receive into the subfolder after they arrive in your inbox. To manually move email from your inbox into a subfolder, select the inbox in the folder pane to show the email in the inbox. Then click and drag the email to move from the email list in the inbox and drop it onto the desired subfolder in the folder pane.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.